So the winner is just going to be chosen from the subscription list whenever we get to 100, 500, and 1000. So at 100, the person is going to be getting the Fenty Glow and Pink Dragonfly keychain kit. 500, the winner is going to get this bag of goodies that may or may not be in this random Sephora bag, but it is some goodies in here. We've got some highlighters from Revolution, 3 of them. We've got holographic lights, Lunar, Sunkissed, Salon Perfect 614s. I love those lashes, they're super wispy. Blot Instant Oil Blotting Stick by Professional. 2 more illuminating powders. These ones are from LA Girl. This one is like a darker powder, and then there's a lighter holographic powder. And then last but not least, there is a NARS Orgasm Mini Blush. And then, oh, there's one more item. See, this bag just keeps going and going. Florence by Mills. This is a Zen Z Cheek Cream Blush, and this is like a burgundy-ish mauve color. So the winner at 500 subscribers will receive all of those goodies. And then at 1,000 subscribers, we've got the Sundipped Anastasia kit and the Sweets Anastasia kit, and then we've got 2 Fenty mirrors, and then we've got Anastasia sponges. So 2 lovely ladies, 1 kit, 1 kit. And like I said, they'll just be picked randomly from the subscriber pool. Leave likes, comments, let me know what you guys want to see in this new year.